Subscribe to my channel Imam Salik.
Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah amma ba'd. My respected brothers, sisters, honorable elders, I would like to share a story with you today. There was a building, and that building was being observed by the architects. Why the owner has called the engineers and the architects to observe that building. What was wrong and what was the problem of that building? That with the light rain and with the light wind, they used to see that there were cracks, that the building was about to collapse, and always it was very, very weak, looking weak. So the engineers were observing and they said this and that. Someone said material, someone said the map, someone said the sketch. But there was one of the old and experienced architect. He said the main problem is in the base. The base is not assembled strongly, intactly, and firmly. So when the base is not strong, the building will not be whole and not be hard and firm enough, can face the winds, face the rains, and face the weather changes. This is a story related to me and you today. Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wasallam said in one of the hadiths, Bunyal Islamu ala khams. The base of Islam is on 5 things. The pillars of Islam, 5 pillars. Number 1, testimony. Shahadatu an la ilaha illallah. Our building of Islam is standing on 5 pillars. The base of this building are these 5 pillars. If any of the pillar is weaker, what is going to happen? The challenges will come and my building will be in danger. The colors will come and my building will be in danger. The weathers will be severe and my building will be in danger. The movements will become, the movements go through, pass by this building, and it will start shaking here and there, right and left. Why? The base is weaker. So let us discuss about our foundation, that how much stronger my foundation is. Number 1, Shahadatu an la ilaha illallah. Testimony. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. There is no one to rely on, to depend on, to submit. There is no one who is in charge. There is no one who is in control. There is no one who is the Lord. There is no one who is the master. There is no one who is the provider. There is no one who is the creator. There is no one who is the maker. There is no one who controls the winds. There is no one who controls the rains. There is no one who controls the days and nights. There is no one who controls the izzah and dhillah. There is no one who controls the health, wealth, and sickness and diseases. There is no one who controls the life and death. There is no one who controls the heavens, the skies, and the earth. There is no one who controls the directions, the east and the west and south and north. There is no one illallah. My brothers, let us look towards our heart. Is it the testimony from the bottom of my heart? Or still there is something else? That my problems can be solved with the wealth, with the status, with the money, with the authority, with power, with anything else in this world? Or just only, one and only Allah can solve my problems? and Allah can grant me anything in this world, that He is ma sha Allahu kan wa ma lam yasha lam yakun, that everything is in the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. يتنزل الأمر بينهن لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد ذلكم الله ربكم الحق لا إله إلا هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو. Let us look a little bit on this foundation. Is it intact? It is firm. Is it that much firm that when the situations are varying, when the circumstances and environment is going up and down, my building of my Islam is not shaken? If it is shaken, I need to go back to my foundation and my base, that how much stronger is it? And if it is not, I have to work upon it. I have to ponder and I have to be concerned about it. We will discuss the later four pillars as well, but this is the base and the first and the most powerful pillar of the entire building of Islam. If I am shaking a little bit, it means that there is nothing problem in the material. The problem is in the foundation and in the base, and that is La ilaha illallah.